Hey guys, I'm gonna get you guys onto the weather train really quickie. So I'm gonna go private tell weather models, and I'm going to the thunderstorm outlook today. And I'm gonna go to severe weather. So this is where we're going today. So today, outlook is right here. Okay. Day 1 tornado. Okay, no, we're not going to get a day 1 tornado. We're going to go to day 1 actual outlook. So, day 1 categorical. So, you can see across the Great Lakes, parts of Green Bay, Wisconsin. There's the areas in the marginal risk are right out here, and areas in the slight risk are all extended from here. Areas in the lighter green is a general risk. Then the tornado risk. Let's check out the tornado. Tornado risk is at 5%, in an area of 5% shade here. Hail, 15%. Then hatched area, significant hailstone there. And then wind. Wind, we have day 1 wind. I'll get to you next. Day 1 wind, 30% chance of wind. Okay, now let's check out the day 2 categorical risk. So there's a slight risk for parts of Pennsylvania and New York. Tornado risk is not as high as the other day. Tornado risk 2%. Hail is definitely a 5. Okay, no. I mean, hail is definitely a 5 for day 2. But I'm serious of the wind. There is definitely on the yellow side. I'll show you guys. So the wind seems like the highest threat for tomorrow. So definitely very active for severe weather. And then we're gonna go to tropical tidbits, and I'll come back to you and discuss the outlooks. Like, I need to keep my. So we're gonna go to the regions. We're gonna go to We'll get you to North Central U.S. first, but we're going to the mesoscale pre-K development. Or not. Didn't work out, but that's okay. So, and then now we're going to get a forecast. We're going to check out see what the temperatures are. So you can see hot.
6 feet down.
So, underwater's going to be severe weather, because look at the temperatures the next couple days. Day 2 max temperatures. Still cool. It's where the thunderstorms are. You can see there. So, pretty much, yeah, pretty active for sure. And I'm going to go to the National Weather Service for hashtag weather updates, okay? So, we're going to go to the hazard weather outlook. Severe thunderstorms could be possible today, but I'm considering the whole zone as an area tomorrow. Lightning is at tomorrow's lightning risk is very high. So severe winds, hail is there. Hail is right there.
I don't want to hear it. Keep it down some.
Thunderstorm wind gust is right there. Severe thunderstorm around.
You don't have to talk loud enough for us to hear.
Non-thunderstorm winds there. You can see a little bit of a yellow spot there, but now we're gonna check out the eastern part of this severe thunderstorm outbreak. You can actually see it. So we're gonna check out the graphical hazards. So severe thunderstorms. Yeah, there's an orange risk there. There should have been an orange risk back here, and lightning is much higher. There's a red. There's high lightning risk there. You can actually see it on here. You can see it. So I want to keep the camera on the weather right now. So flooding is another concern. See the whole area. There's an orange zone for flooding. So you can see this whole zone right here. If I had a pen, I would circle it right here. You can circle it. You can actually see this whole area focused on it. That severe weather and so. So we're gonna check out the hazard weather outlook. Scattered severe thunderstorms with damaging winds 60 miles per hour greater or pause. Repeated training of storm could cause heavy rainfall to localized flooding. So you guys, make sure you guys subscribe to Crazy Weather TV for more videos like this. In the next couple of days, I'm going to do an update on this. So watch out for dangerous thunderstorms, okay? Very dangerous storms. Okay? Very dangerous. I'm talking. So this is the outlook from so I can't go there. This is, you could see Pennsylvania right there is in that slight risk. Fayette County's right there. Pittsburgh. And that's in all of these guys. And marginal risk could have another slight risk here. Possible. I don't know yet. Could upgrade it to another slight risk. If they do, I'll let you guys know about it. But right now, as of right now, we got this zone here for some severe thunderstorms there. So, pretty much, yeah.